She give me what I wanna. Ball so hard, need a warm up. I back that at the warm up. Yeah.
On site.
Oh my god.
Jesus, Brandon. Or Brazen.
Is this guy retarded? Fucking Brazen? Yeah, sure.
Jesus, Brandon. Jesus, Brazen.
Wait, do we not have bomb?
No.
No, we don't. We're gonna be.
Holy cow, Brandon. Brandon, that was crazy.
What the fuck, dude?
Here's yellow.
Checkers and B main. Ooh, pussy!
Oh,
Oh shit.
last guy
Where?
made.
Okay.
Yeet. Good game, boys. Bombs on B. Oh my god, dude, I just went the fuck off.
Nasty.
Holy shit, did I get I either got an ace or a 4K. Holy shit, let's fucking go, boys.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I absolutely fucked that kid, holy shit.
Are they rushing me again?
I don't know, they mollied it, I got one down.
Careful, yellow.
Wow, I fucked that kid.
High nooning.
Yeah, dude. This pistol is just so fucking good. 2v2.
You got a real weapon?
Nope.
Maybe you could have got one. Okay.
Yeah. There's a lot of things I could have done.
Oh my god. High nooning.
Yay!
What the fuck?
Let's go.
Turning on the cheats.
Hey. Hey, man.
Just one. Oh, bomb.
Bomb
It's
sweep.
high noon.
He's fork and a main all at the same time. How do you do
No,
that?
he's fork, then A main.
72.
72. I will get him.
Oh! That was such a good nade, Will! Holy fuck!
I know, I'm a god.
Oh my god.
She give me what I wanna. Ball so hard, need a warm up. I back that at the warm up. Yeah. Big time a stunner. I'm out here on the come up. I beat the